Hello friends, it's Bluey. Today is so fun day. I helping my sister Chef Bingo picking some strawberry for delicious recipe. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I already picked a bunch of strawberry. Look at here. Look at here. It's a lot of delicious strawberry I picked. Ooh, look. Look at this. We will make some yummy and delicious recipe today. The strawberry smells so good. I wanna eat before my sister start the recipe because it's so yummy and it's healthy. Strawberry healthy and yummy. So yummy. Oh, so yummy. Okay, friends, let's go and bring this strawberry for my sister. Okay, be back. Hello. It's a beautiful day today. I'm waiting for the Bluey.
Hey, Bingo, I got the strawberries.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of strawberry. Where did you pick them?
In the field.
In the field. Wow, strawberry field. Good job. Smells so yummy.
It was a lot of hard work.
Wow, you did good job. Are you excited for the new recipe?
Yeah.
Hey, it's gonna be so yummy and delicious. Strawberry in chocolate.
Yay.
Wow. Okay, for the first step, what we need?
We need strawberries.
And chocolate. Look, what's chocolate I have? I have pinky chocolate. Hey, Bluey, stop it.
Sorry.
Okay, and we need to melt this chocolate. Okay, wait here with the strawberry, okay?
Okay.
And I'll be back with the melted chocolate. I need to quick go to my kitchen. Okay, be back.
Bye. These sprinkles look so good. Bingo, where are you?
I'm here, I'm coming. I just melted my chocolate. Look at this, look.
Whoa. That is so cool. I want to eat it so bad.
Okay, wait. We are in the process of our recipe. Okay. Let's start it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, look at what I have.
Strawberries.
Strawberry and dip it in our chocolate. Look at this.
That is looking so cool.
And then to our sprinkles. Look at this. Look at this.
Whoa.
Look at this. It's so yummy.
Can I eat it now?
We have to wait a little bit to calm down. Look. Okay, hold it. It's for you.
Thank you.
And one more, it's for me. Dip it. Dip it. And dip it in the sprinkles. Look, it's so easy. And so delicious. Look, that's so yummy. Delicious strawberry in the chocolate and sprinkles. Let's start eating. Yum. It's so yummy. That's so yum. I love it. You like it?
Yeah, it's so good.
Good. Yeah. Okay, friends. You can make it too. It's so easy, right, Bluey?
Yeah.
Super easy. Just strawberry, chocolate, melted. Make sure it's melted. And any sprinkle you like it. And then you will have some yummy, delicious strawberry in chocolate and sprinkles. Yay!
And you can do any chocolate.
Yeah, you can any chocolate. We like pink, but you can do like white chocolate or dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Any.
Or pink chocolate like us.
Yeah, because so delicious. I think the pink is the most delicious, right?
Yeah.
And it's a strawberry season and you can do a lot of recipes with the strawberries. But this is one of my favorite. Okay, let's eat it more. Oh, it's so good. Okay, friends, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.